Hey everyone, my name is Ian Stadera. I'm the VP of Product, and today I'm going to walk you through some key aspects on how Ardoq will differentiate against all the competition in the market, allowing you to get that quick time to value. Now, as you see on the screen here, we're looking at a pretty diverse data set, which a lot of architects don't really have access to. People, capabilities, innovative ideas, projects, applications, etc. Now, getting all that information is a dream state, but it doesn't have to be as hard as it sounds. In fact, with Ardoq, you can leverage our unique capabilities around engagement, automation, and manual contribution in order to build out your architecture as fast as possible. Now, we always recommend that you start with the outcomes in mind. So it's critical that you think about what you need to answer in order to scale down your scope and get to that time to value quickly. To assist you in that process, we come out of the box with a variety of use cases which you can tailor, build upon, or completely customize to your unique needs. But ideally, following our best practices will give you a quick time to value and help you focus more on answering questions than configuring an application. Once that starts getting kicked off and you start having that scope, you want to be able to leverage the experts you already have in your organization to build out your architecture. With Ardoq's broadcast, you have the unique opportunity to look for those experts, contact them with tailored surveys, and bring them into the process so that you spend more time in analysis and less time in data contribution. Those surveys are completely tailorable. As you can see here, I'm looking to connect capabilities, organizational departments, as well as applications to the people. This builds not only the architecture out, it also builds the future communication channels using those broadcasts again in the future. Now, all that manual information is great, but ideally you want to reuse and repurpose the information you already have. That's why Ardoq comes out of the box with any number of integrations that can be both extended upon using our Open REST API or simply drag and drop with things like our Excel integration or Active Directory and ServiceNow. Of course, we still have the modeling capabilities you would expect out of any architecture tool. Within Ardoq, you have the ability to create models based on data. So we have the grid editor, which allows you to add that tabular information and will automatically visualize it for you. You then can use visual builders to connect the dots and build out your overall architecture. Now that we have the foundation for analysis and visualization, let's move on to look at those capabilities for the tool. The benefits of being a data-driven platform is we're actually allowing you to repurpose your information for any number of stakeholders, regardless of where they are in the organization. We want to make sure that the EA data becomes insights for anybody. Here we're looking at a CIO dashboard to get an overview of all the applications that we've just acquired and understand where we have rationalization opportunities. Dashboards are great, but you want to be able to empower them to drill down and understand the context of that decision so that you can kick off the right initiatives and prioritize accordingly. But of course, not everything happens out in the experts in the field. Your architects need the ability to take visualizations and actually make actionable insights. Ardoq comes out of the box with some 20 visualizations that will work with any kind of data you have in Ardoq, fully flexible to your data model. Visualizations will allow you to provide the context and stories you need to tell, as well as do the analysis necessary to understand the impact of change. But visualizations will only take you so far. And for that reason, we have Gremlin, a graph query language which is built on top of our graph, which allows you to not only create the dashboards and reports necessary, but also trigger the automated workflows through broadcasts and delegate things like risk, costs, and other critical attributes across your entire graph. If you want to learn more about Ardoq, book a demo. We look forward to hearing from you.